For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a training business can be an exciting and rewarding venture. Whether you want to offer professional development courses, skills workshops, or specialized coaching, using free AI tools can greatly simplify the process. AI can assist in planning, content creation, marketing, customer engagement, and more, all without the need for large upfront costs. This guide walks you through the key steps to launch your training business by leveraging free AI resources effectively. Step 1. Define your training niche and audience. Before you dive into content creation or marketing, clarify what type of training you want to provide and who your target audience is. Are you focusing on technical skills, soft skills, personal development, or industry-specific knowledge? Narrowing your niche will help tailor your business and marketing efforts. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and refine your ideas by prompting it with, "Help me identify profitable training niches based on current market trends and my skills." Step 2. Conduct market research using AI. Understanding the demand, competitors, and pricing in your chosen niche is essential. Use AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Trends, free, to gather market insights. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, "Analyze the competition and market demand for online leadership training courses." Google Trends will show you keyword interest over time to validate your niche. Step 3. Create a detailed business plan with AI assistance. A solid business plan outlines your objectives, target audience, revenue model, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Use ChatGPT to draft a business plan by inputting, "Generate a business plan outline for an online training business focused on digital marketing skills." Then, you can refine and expand each section by asking ChatGPT specific questions about marketing tactics, cost estimates, or revenue streams. Step 4. Design your training curriculum and materials. Developing effective training content is a core part of your business. Use AI tools to generate course outlines, lesson plans, quizzes, and even slide presentations. ChatGPT can help create course modules by prompting, "Create a comprehensive course outline for a beginner's workshop on Excel skills." For slide creation, consider using Canva's free version, which includes AI-assisted design features, to create visually appealing training materials. Step 5. Produce training content efficiently. If your training involves video, audio, or written materials, AI can speed up content production. Use tools like Synthesia.io's free demo, AI video generation with avatars, to create video lessons without filming yourself. For scripts or transcripts, ChatGPT can draft lesson scripts based on your outlines. You can prompt, "Write a script for a 10-minute video on the basics of public speaking." Step 6. Build your online presence. An online presence is vital to reach your audience. Use free website builders like Wix or WordPress.com to create a website showcasing your courses, testimonials, and contact info. Use ChatGPT to help generate engaging website copy. For example, prompt, "Write a homepage introduction for a training business specializing in soft skills coaching." Also, set up social media profiles on LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram where your potential clients are active. Step 7. Develop a marketing plan with AI. To attract clients, develop a targeted marketing plan. Use ChatGPT to create a marketing strategy by inputting, "Generate a digital marketing plan for a new online training business targeting small business owners." This can include content marketing ideas, email campaigns, social media ads, and partnerships. Use free AI-powered tools like MailChimp's free plan for email marketing automation and Canva for designing social media posts. Step 8. Create engaging promotional content. Good promotional content draws attention and builds trust. Use ChatGPT to draft blog posts, social media captions, and email newsletters. For example, prompt, "Write a blog post explaining the benefits of time management training for entrepreneurs." Use free AI image generators like Doll, eMini, Crayon to create unique visuals for your posts, making your content stand out. Step 9. Set up client communication and sales processes. Ensure you have easy ways for clients to inquire, enroll, and pay. Use free AI chatbots like Tidio, free tier, on your website to handle common questions automatically. Use Stripe or PayPal for payment processing with no upfront fees. You can ask ChatGPT. Write a friendly chatbot script for answering common questions about online training course enrollment. Step 10. Launch your training business and gather feedback. Once everything is set, launch your business by announcing it on your website, social media, and email lists. Offer a free webinar or trial course to attract initial clients and gather testimonials. Use AI tools like Google Forms or Typeform to collect feedback efficiently. You can prompt ChatGPT. Create a customer feedback survey for an online leadership training course. Step 11. Analyze results and optimize. Track your sales, client engagement, and marketing effectiveness using free tools like Google Analytics and your email marketing dashboard. Use AI to analyze the data by prompting. Summarize key insights from this customer feedback and suggest improvements for my training courses. Use these insights to refine your content, marketing, and service delivery. Starting a training business today is easier than ever thanks to AI tools that automate, streamline, and enhance many aspects of entrepreneurship. By following these steps and utilizing free AI resources, you can launch a professional and scalable training business without large upfront costs. Focus on delivering value, continuously improving your offerings, and engaging authentically with your clients. This approach will help you build a successful training business that grows sustainably over time. If you want to get started immediately, begin by asking ChatGPT to help you brainstorm your training niche and business plan. The AI is your versatile assistant from ideation through launch and beyond. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.